Did you know that turmeric, a popular spice in your kitchen, can turn into a health hazard when paired with certain substances? Turmeric is not just a vibrant addition to dishes, it's celebrated for its health benefits, largely due to curcumin. This compound is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, offering numerous health advantages. However, not all is golden. When used improperly, turmeric can present unexpected risks. Stick around as we dive into the combinations that can turn this golden spice into a risky choice. First on our list is the combination of turmeric with blood thinners. Turmeric, a vibrant spice beloved for its flavor and health benefits, contains curcumin, a compound that can naturally thin the blood. This characteristic is often celebrated for its potential to improve circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots. However, it's not all golden when turmeric meets prescribed blood thinners like warfarin. When turmeric and blood thinners are mixed, they can engage in a precarious dance. Curcumin's blood-thinning properties can amplify the effects of medications such as warfarin, leading to an increased risk of bleeding. This might sound minor, but it's far from it. Excessive bleeding is a serious complication, particularly if you're unaware of the interaction. Imagine undergoing surgery or recovering from an injury while your blood is unable to clot properly due to the combined effects of warfarin and turmeric. The scenario can become dangerously complex, delaying healing and increasing the risk of bleeding out during surgical procedures. Even everyday injuries, like a simple cut, can become a significant concern. Healthcare professionals often advise monitoring the intake of turmeric if you're on blood-thinning medication. It might be tempting to add an extra spoonful of this spice to your meals, lured by its potential health benefits, but the stakes are high. So, if you're on blood thinners, think twice before adding an extra spoonful of turmeric to your diet. Next, let's explore turmeric's interaction with diabetes medications. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice known for its health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties, can also significantly lower blood sugar levels. This effect, while beneficial in some contexts, presents a potential risk when turmeric is taken alongside diabetes medications. Here's the crux. Both turmeric and diabetes drugs aim to lower blood sugar, but when used together, they could push blood sugar levels too low, a condition known as hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can manifest through symptoms such as dizziness, confusion, excessive sweating, and even fainting. It's not merely uncomfortable, it can be dangerous. Now, if you are managing diabetes and wish to include turmeric in your regimen, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels more closely than usual. This doesn't mean you have to give up on turmeric altogether. Instead, consider adjusting the timing of your intake. For instance, spacing out the consumption of turmeric and your medication could mitigate the risk of a significant drop in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, consulting with a healthcare provider is key. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific health needs and help adjust medication dosages if necessary to accommodate the use of turmeric in your diet. Managing diabetes is tricky enough without the unexpected drops in blood sugar. Did you know that turmeric can interfere with your body's ability to absorb iron? This vibrant yellow spice, beloved in culinary and medicinal circles for its anti-inflammatory properties, contains a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant, but it has a lesser-known side effect. It binds with iron. This binding process can significantly reduce the amount of iron that your body can absorb from your diet. Iron is crucial for producing hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells that helps carry oxygen throughout your body. When turmeric impedes iron absorption, it can lead to a decrease in hemoglobin levels, which, if severe, can progress to iron deficiency anemia. This condition manifests as fatigue, weakness, and in more severe cases, can affect cognitive function and immune response. The impact is particularly significant for individuals with already marginal iron stores. These include vegetarians, who may not consume highly absorbable heme iron found in meat, pregnant women, who require more iron, or those with conditions like celiac disease that already hinder nutrient absorption. If you are a regular consumer of turmeric, it's wise to monitor your iron levels closely. Symptoms of iron deficiency can be subtle and gradual, so it's important to consult with a healthcare provider who can conduct appropriate tests and offer guidance based on your specific health profile. For those struggling with iron levels, turmeric might not be the best addition to your meals. Combining turmeric with antacids can lead to some stomach-churning problems. Turmeric, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, often finds its way into our kitchens and medicine cabinets. However, it's not without its quirks. In larger doses, turmeric can cause some gastrointestinal discomfort. This can range from mild indigestion to severe stomach upset. It's a potent spice, and while it's beneficial, it can also be a bit of a bully to a sensitive stomach. Now let's talk about antacids. These are usually the go-to remedy for those moments when your stomach acid is doing more harm than good. Antacids work by neutralizing stomach acid to relieve symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. But here's where things get tricky. When you throw turmeric into the mix, its effects can conflict with those of antacids. Instead of soothing, the combination can lead to increased stomach discomfort and even disturb the delicate balance of your stomach's environment. This is because the reduction of stomach acid by antacids can exacerbate the digestive irritation caused by turmeric. For those who rely on antacids yet are keen to reap the health benefits of turmeric, moderation is key. Consider introducing turmeric in smaller amounts, or perhaps consuming it at different times than your antacid regimen. Consulting with a healthcare provider would also be wise to tailor a plan that respects both the power of turmeric and the function of your antacid treatment. Always consider how turmeric might interact with your stomach treatments before combining them. Pregnant? Here's why turmeric might need to be taken off your spice list. Turmeric, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is a staple in kitchens worldwide. However, when it comes to pregnancy, this vibrant spice brings a dash of controversy. The primary concern stems from curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which has been suggested to stimulate the uterus. This could potentially lead to premature contractions or even preterm labor, a risk no expecting mother wants to take lightly. Moreover, while turmeric is generally safe in culinary doses, the scenario changes significantly with supplements, which contain higher concentrations of curcumin. These elevated levels can exacerbate the risk, making it a topic of concern among healthcare professionals. Unfortunately, the research on turmeric's safety during pregnancy is not as robust as one might hope. Studies are limited and the results are often inconclusive, leaving many questions unanswered. Given these uncertainties, the best course of action is caution. It's essential to differentiate between using turmeric as a spice in cooking, which typically involves much smaller amounts, and taking it as a supplement. While the former might be safer, the latter should be approached with caution. Therefore, if you're pregnant and considering turmeric supplements, or even if you're just thinking about increasing your dietary intake of the spice, consulting with a healthcare provider is crucial. They can offer guidance based on the most current research and your personal health profile. When expecting, it's better to err on the side of caution with what you consume. Now that you know the risky combinations with turmeric, let's wrap up with some safe usage tips. Turmeric, that bright golden spice, holds a treasure trove of health benefits from reducing inflammation to enhancing brain function. However, it's not free from potential pitfalls. Throughout this video, we've explored how turmeric can interact adversely with certain medications and conditions. Let's quickly recap. Firstly, combining turmeric with blood thinners can increase the risk of bleeding. It's a potent natural anticoagulant, which means it should be used cautiously if you're already on medication like warfarin. Secondly, for those managing diabetes, turmeric can lower blood sugar levels, which is generally positive but can cause complications if mixed with diabetes medication, leading to hypoglycemia. We also discussed how turmeric might hinder iron absorption. If you have iron deficiency, it's essential to monitor turmeric intake to ensure it does not exacerbate the condition. Additionally, turmeric can increase stomach acid production. While this can be beneficial for some, for those taking antacids or suffering from GERD, it could worsen symptoms. Lastly, the use of turmeric during pregnancy should be approached with caution. While small culinary amounts are generally safe, high doses or supplements could pose risks. Understanding these interactions underscores the importance of moderation and consulting healthcare providers. Always discuss with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Now, for some general tips on safely incorporating turmeric into your diet. Start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Use it as a spice in cooking rather than taking large doses in supplements. Pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption, but be mindful of the quantities. By respecting these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of turmeric without unwanted side effects. Remember, while turmeric offers remarkable health benefits, it's crucial to use it wisely. Stay safe and informed.